What's the meaning of coccyx? Coccyx. Coccyx.
Coccyx. Coccyx. The coccyx is a small, triangular bone at the bottom of the spine in humans and other primates. It's also known as the tailbone. It consists of 3 to 5 fused vertebrae and provides attachment for various muscles, tendons, and ligaments. The coccyx serves as a weight-bearing structure when sitting and helps support the body's weight while standing. Injuries to the coccyx can be painful and may require medical attention. Certain activities, such as horseback riding or cycling, can put pressure on the coccyx, leading to discomfort or injury.